Are you looking for the best cheap drawing tablet? In this video we will look at some of the best cheap drawing tablet on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wacom Intuos Small Graphics Drawing Tablet. The Wacom Intuos Small Graphics Drawing Tablet offers an unparalleled drawing experience with industry-leading tablet performance and precision. Utilizing Wacom's EMR technology, this tablet provides a battery-free pen-on-paper feel, ensuring a natural and immersive creative process. One of the standout features is its compatibility with all software programs, allowing users to explore various facets of digital creativity. Whether you're drawing, painting, editing photos/videos, designing, or marking up documents, the Wacom Intuos tablet seamlessly integrates with your preferred software. Renowned among professionals, Wacom's industry-leading pen technology makes it the top choice for graphic designers. The tablet's responsiveness and accuracy contribute to a preferred drawing experience that meets the high standards of creative experts. Number 2. Drawing Tablet XPPen Star G640 Digital Graphic Tablet. The XPPen Star G640 Digital Graphic Tablet is a versatile and convenient tool for digital drawing and graphic design. One of its notable features is the battery-free PN01 stylus, which eliminates the need for charging, providing a seamless drawing experience with uninterrupted use. This stylus enhances overall performance, allowing lines to flow quicker and smoother. Designed with online education in mind, the XPPen G640 graphics tablet is suitable for various digital tasks such as drawing, painting, sketching, e-signatures, online teaching, remote work, and photo editing. It is compatible with Microsoft Office apps like Word, PowerPoint, OneNote, Zoom, and XSplit. The tablet proves more efficient than a traditional mouse, allowing users to visually present handwritten notes and signatures precisely. Number 3. FLUESTON LCD Writing Tablet. The FLUESTON LCD Writing Tablet is an excellent educational and creative toy designed for kids. It serves as a perfect gift for various occasions such as back to school, birthdays, Thanksgiving Day, Easter, and Christmas. The tablet comes with a writing stylus, and the customer service is committed to assisting with any questions regarding the stylus or the doodle board. One of the notable features of this tablet is its portability and lightweight design, making it convenient for preschool toddlers to enjoy creative activities like painting, counting numbers, and spelling phrases anywhere, be it at home, in the car, outside, on an airplane, or at school. With a 10-inch writing area, a slim 0.26-inch profile, and a weight of just 6 ounces, it's easy for kids to carry it in a bag without feeling burdened. Number 4. GAOMON S620 Drawing Tablet. The GAOMON S620 Drawing Tablet is a versatile tool catering to various creative needs, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. Geared towards digital art and creation, this tablet is perfect for tasks such as drawing, sketching, graphics design, 3D art, and animation. Its portability makes it convenient for professionals on the go. Beyond artistic endeavors, the tablet serves practical purposes such as annotating and signing documents in applications like Excel, Word, PDF, and PowerPoint. It also seamlessly integrates into online meetings and classes, compatible with programs like Zoom. For gamers, especially those into rhythm games like OSU, the tablet proves to be a valuable asset. Number 5. Graphics Drawing Tablets. Graphics drawing tablets are a creative's dream, offering a vast canvas for your imagination to unfold. With a large active area, these tablets provide ample space for your artistic endeavors. The slim, sleek, and super lightweight design, coupled with delicate craftsmanship, ensures a seamless drawing experience without delays or interruptions. The papery drawing experience is heightened with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. The tablet responds to the nuances of your touch, allowing you to control line thickness and darkness by adjusting the pressure applied. The transition from thin to thick lines is fluid and precise, mimicking the natural feel of drawing on real paper.